ready for your surprise? Okay, you ready? Tell me when you're ready.
Ready.
Okay.
What is that? What is that? What is that? Ooh. Look, Christina. Hi. Where's the eyes? Who's that?
What did you get, Christina? What did you find? Oh, a cake. There you go. Would you like something to drink? Take the cup. There you go.
Why didn't you get Shrek? Why didn't you give some tea to Shrek? Why not give some tea to Shrek?
What's that? That's a saucer. Should we have a tea party? Do you want to have it? We'll invite Nikki and Minnie to our tea party.
Can Shrek come to your tea party? Can Shrek come?
Okay. Oh,
There we go.
bring the tea party over here. Can we join you? Who do you want to join? Give him a drink.
Can you give Shrek some cake? Give Shrek some cake.
Cake. Are we having a tea party? Ooh, look at the cakes. Give him a drink. Oh. Give him some cake. Oh, give him a drink. Oh, how nice. You like to share. Here, let's pour it in. Wow.
Would you like to pour? Dip the pot into the cup, then we'll have some more.
Pour some tea like this. Look.
Oh, it makes noise. Oh, is that good? You like your tea set?
Can you make Daddy some coffee? We'll make Daddy some coffee. Can I have a cup of coffee,
You gonna
Christina?
make Daddy some coffee? Oh, there you go.
Where's Daddy's coffee?
Here, pour some for Daddy. You're having it all yourself. Oh, she's giving you some.
Thank you.